Are your joints stiff, sore, or failing to heal despite all efforts? Many people overlook the hidden secret to joint repair and connective tissue health that could change everything. Today, we challenge what you think you know about collagen and reveal the science-backed truth behind collagen peptides and joint recovery. Welcome to Levitas. What are collagen peptides? Collagen peptides are tiny, broken-down pieces of collagen protein derived from animal connective tissues. Unlike whole collagen, these peptides are hydrolyzed, meaning they are processed into smaller chains that are easier for the body to digest and absorb. They act as building blocks for the body's own collagen production, crucial for maintaining skin elasticity, joint cartilage, tendons, and bones. Collagen peptides are often sourced from bovine, marine, or porcine tissues and come in powder or capsule forms. Their unique ability to stimulate the body's natural collagen synthesis makes them popular in nutritional supplements targeting joint repair and overall connective tissue health. How they improve joints and cartilage. Collagen peptides play a pivotal role in maintaining and repairing joint health by supporting the structure and function of cartilage, the flexible tissue that cushions joints. Cartilage is primarily made of type 2 collagen, which provides tensile strength and elasticity, enabling smooth movement. As we age or suffer joint injuries, collagen degradation accelerates, leading to cartilage thinning and joint pain. Supplementing with collagen peptides increases the availability of amino acids needed for cartilage repair and stimulates the production of new collagen fibers. Research shows that collagen peptides promote chondrocyte activity, the cells responsible for cartilage synthesis, helping regenerate damaged tissue. Additionally, collagen peptides reduce inflammation within joints by modulating immune responses, which is crucial for preventing further cartilage breakdown. Clinical studies have demonstrated that daily collagen peptide intake reduces joint stiffness and pain, particularly in osteoarthritis patients and athletes recovering from joint stress. Their ability to improve synovial fluid viscosity further lubricates joints, enhancing mobility. So, collagen peptides offer a scientifically supported approach to better joint health, alleviating pain, and improving overall joint function. How they build stronger bones. Collagen peptides are essential for bone health, as collagen constitutes about 30% of bone mass and forms the organic matrix where minerals like calcium deposit. This matrix provides bones with flexibility and strength, preventing fractures. As bone density declines with age or conditions like osteoporosis, collagen production decreases, weakening bone structure. Supplementing with collagen peptides provides the body with critical amino acids such as glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which are vital for stimulating osteoblast activity, the cells that build new bone tissue. Studies have shown collagen peptides improve bone mineral density and promote bone remodeling, the ongoing process where old bone is replaced with new bone. Collagen peptides also enhance calcium absorption and retention, maximizing the mineralization process. Some research indicates collagen supplementation combined with calcium and vitamin D can significantly reduce fracture risks. The peptide's ability to improve the bone matrix quality translates to stronger, more resilient bones, particularly in postmenopausal women and the elderly. In essence, collagen peptides act as a scaffold, encouraging healthy bone regeneration and protection against osteoporosis. Build healthier muscles. Beyond joints and bones, collagen peptides also contribute to building and maintaining healthy muscles. Muscles depend on connective tissues like tendons and ligaments, which are largely made of collagen, to attach firmly to bones and transmit force efficiently during movement. Muscle strength and function decline with age, partly due to connective tissue weakening and reduced collagen production. Supplementing with collagen peptides provides essential amino acids that support the repair and synthesis of muscle collagen, improving tendon resilience and reducing injury risk. Studies show that collagen peptides combined with resistance training can increase muscle mass and strength in older adults by enhancing muscle protein synthesis. Additionally, collagen peptides support the regeneration of the extracellular matrix surrounding muscle fibers, which aids muscle repair after exercise-induced damage. This helps athletes recover faster and reduces soreness. Collagen also indirectly supports muscle growth by improving joint and tendon health, enabling better workout performance. Therefore, collagen peptides play a multifunctional role, acting as a foundation for stronger muscles, better movement, and injury prevention. Improved skin and hair. Collagen peptides are famous for their beauty benefits, particularly in enhancing skin and hair health. The skin's dermis is rich in type 1 and 3 collagen, which maintains skin elasticity, firmness, and hydration. As we age, collagen breakdown accelerates, leading to wrinkles, dryness, and sagging. Oral collagen peptides stimulate fibroblasts in the skin to produce new collagen fibers and other extracellular matrix components like elastin and hyaluronic acid, improving skin structure and moisture retention. Clinical trials show that daily collagen peptide supplementation for 8 to 12 weeks significantly reduces wrinkles and increases skin hydration, firmness, and elasticity. Collagen peptides also support scalp health by strengthening hair follicles and improving blood circulation, which can slow hair thinning and promote healthier, shinier hair. Their antioxidant properties help protect skin and hair from environmental damage like UV radiation and pollution. For many, collagen peptides offer a natural, effective way to fight aging signs and enhance overall appearance by nourishing skin and hair from within. The best collagen? Bovine collagen is widely regarded as one of the best sources of collagen peptides for joint and overall health, due to its rich content of types 1 and 3 collagen, the most abundant forms in the human body. Type 1 collagen supports skin, bones, and tendons, while type 3 is critical for skin elasticity and vascular health. Derived from cow hides and bones, bovine collagen undergoes hydrolysis to produce highly bioavailable peptides that the body readily absorbs and utilizes. Unlike marine collagen, which mainly provides type 1 collagen, bovine collagen covers a broader spectrum of connective tissues, making it ideal for repairing joints, bones, muscles, skin, and hair. Additionally, bovine collagen has a longer history of safety and efficacy in supplements, with numerous clinical studies supporting its benefits in improving joint pain, bone density, and skin health. Its amino acid profile, rich in glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, directly supports collagen synthesis and tissue regeneration. For these reasons, bovine collagen peptides remain the gold standard for those seeking comprehensive connective tissue support and overall rejuvenation. How much to take for better connective tissue? To achieve optimal results for connective tissue repair, including joints, bones, and skin, research suggests a daily collagen peptide intake between 30 and 50 grams. This higher dosage range ensures sufficient amino acids are available to stimulate collagen synthesis and support tissue regeneration. Studies show that doses below 10 grams can provide some benefits but are generally less effective for repairing cartilage or reversing joint degeneration. The 30 to 50 gram range maximizes stimulation of chondrocytes, the cartilage cells, osteoblasts, the bone-building cells, and fibroblasts, the skin and tendon repair cells. Additionally, this dose range improves synovial fluid production, helping lubricate joints and reduce pain and inflammation. Consistency matters. Daily supplementation over at least 8 to 12 weeks is necessary to notice significant improvements. Combining collagen peptides with vitamin C and magnesium further enhances collagen production, as both nutrients are considered cofactor in collagen synthesis. Collagen peptides are safe in these amounts and easily digestible, making them ideal for long-term use. For those focused on joint and connective tissue health, aiming for 30 to 50 grams daily offers the most powerful, science-backed benefits to restore function, reduce pain, and support overall mobility. In conclusion, collagen peptides are powerful building blocks that stimulate the body's natural collagen production, essential for repairing joints, cartilage, bones, muscles, skin, and hair. Their unique amino acid profile supports chondrocyte, osteoblast, and fibroblast activity, promoting tissue regeneration and reducing inflammation. Among sources, bovine collagen stands out due to its broad spectrum of type 1 and 3 collagen and proven bioavailability. For optimal connective tissue repair, a daily intake of 30 to 50 grams maximizes benefits, enhancing mobility, reducing pain, and improving overall joint and skin health with consistent use. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.